What's up, guys? My name is Sebastian Stratman. I hope you guys are having a great day and we're you're having one. This is my Infiniti Q60. I just got it back from having its engine and turbos replaced, both at the same time. It took about 2 months. We had a few little mix-ups with back orders and things like that, so nothing on the Infiniti dealership themselves. They have been awesome to work with and have helped me a ton. However, the VR30 is just on a back order. I imagine that is a lot due to the new Z coming out. But anyway, I have quite a few things I still need to do on this Q60, and I kind of want to tell you what's going on and what I changed, and we'll go from there. So first thing, I'm going to tell you what I added. So my front splitter before was a little bit more of a long nose. It broke and cracked while I was pulling out of a store. So I got a new one. It is painted. It looks nice. I actually really like this. Since I already cracked my $800 painted splitter, I actually got this one off of eBay for a couple $100, and it looks great, so I'm not disappointed at all. Same sky skirts. Something I do need to change are these carbon fiber vents right here. I do have new ones. I just need to put them on. They just yellowed and kind of got baked in the sun while it was over at Infiniti. We also got full downpipes now, so this car is completely catless. It sounds very good. I am definitely enjoying the sound, especially at rev. Here's a little sound clip. There isn't a lot of future plans. I do plan on making a lot more videos. I do want to make my channel still centered around the VR30, but I gotta figure out my plans. Financial situation has been a little bit more crazy lately, so I may be doing some more vlog material, stuff like that. Try and get monetized, and we'll go from there. I really planned on having that all done this year, but with the Q being down for 3 months, that got pretty hard. But we'll do more Toge videos. We'll do more third person, more first person as well. The windshield did get cracked, so first person may have to hold off for a little while, because I'm sure you guys don't want to see a giant crack the entire video when we're doing a POV. I do want to replace it, but the windshields on these cars, even at my cost at a dealership, is over $500. So for a regular customer, you're probably looking at over $1,000, which is nuts. So if you're looking to buy one of these, that is something to know. So overall, what really needs to be done is that windshield right there. We need to do the carbon fiber vents. That'll only take me a few minutes, and I do have a rear sway bar for it. I haven't put on, so I do plan on putting that on here soon. But overall, that is the main plans that I have for it right now. But I would love to hear from you guys. What do you want to see from my Q60? What do you want to see from this channel? And what would you find the most helpful? I'm glad to give history advice. I've had this car for about 3 years. I've done quite a few repairs on it and a lot of modifications to it. So if you guys have any questions, concerns, or anything, hit me up in the comments and I can make a video about it. But anyway, I just want to let you guys know I am back. I plan to make a lot more videos. A lot more videos are going to be coming soon. Plenty of more content. So here we go. And as always, I hope you guys are having a great day, and we'll continue having one. Peace.